What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw a simple drawing of Charmander from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a half oval going up and then down across the top of our page. So we're going to start on the left side. We're going to go up, round out the head, go all the way across and then bring that down towards the right, towards the same height. Now from the side of the head, we're going to step in and draw two smaller half ovals for the top of the eyes. So on the left, we're going to step in, we're going to go up towards the top of the eye, round this out, and then bring that down on the inside towards the same height. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to step in, we're going to go up and then in towards the same height that we have on the left, round out the eye, and then again bringing that down towards the same height. Let's curve the bottom of the eye. We're going to connect these two lines, coming down and then up. On the outside of the eyes, we're going to draw the edge of the pupil. We're going to start from the very top, curve this around, and pull that in towards the bottom. And then along the top of the eyes, we're going to draw a small oval for a highlight, coming down and then back up. Now from the bottom of the pupils, we're going to step in. Just going to trace this going up on both sides. And then we'll close off the center with a curve coming down and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right, tracing the outside, and we'll curve the middle. Now I'm going to go in and fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now along the top of the eyes, we're going to add two folds. Starting on the left, we're going to go up above the eye and then out. Now from here, we're going to move down in the center and draw the top edge of the mouth. So let's start right here. We're going to start with a point. And from here, we're just going to angle this up and out towards the left and then the right side. And then we'll work our way out towards the side of the mouth. Let's start back on the left. We're going to go straight out. And then we're just going to bend that up on the ends. Let's go back to the center and draw the nostrils. On the left, we're just going to draw a short curve coming in and then down. Now I want to open up the mouth. So on the left side, we're going to step in, curve the bottom of the mouth coming down, go across the middle, and then up underneath on the right. Let's add two small fangs along the top, like a V coming down and up. We also want to add a fang across the bottom, going up and then down. Now underneath the top fangs, we're going to draw the edge of the tongue. So on the left side, bend this out and then down. Now I want to go back to the side of the head. I'm just going to curve the cheek, going out and then down around the corners of the mouth. Then I'm going to round up the cheek and follow the curve of the mouth going over towards the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Charmander. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.